Alright, as we all know, AI is growing super fast and transforming the world in amazing positive ways. Now, even command line is also getting the AI upgrade. First, Anthropic came with Claude AI CLI, making it possible for the people to chat with AI right from your terminal. After that, Google itself came in the market with Gemini command line interface, letting the developer to change, create, fix, automate their code super click, but cloud based. After that, what if I say the game has already been changed? It's Qwen3 which has introduced its Qwen-Code command line interface, its very own AI command line tool. You might be thinking what's cool in this? So you actually do not need the cloud to use it. You can run Qwen-Code CLI right on your own machine, fully open source and free. It brings powerful code generation, debugging and automation right to your terminal, powered by the state-of-the-art Qwen3 model. So we are looking at the official tweet from Alibaba about Qwen3-Code. They say we are releasing Qwen3-Coder 480B A35B Instruct, our most powerful open agentic code model to date. This 480B parameter mixture of expert model 35B active natively support 256K context and scales to 1 million context with extrapolation. It achieves top-tier performance across multiple agentic coding benchmarks among open model, including SW bench verified. It also says that Qwen code actually been forked from Gemini code. It includes custom prompt and function calls protocol to fully unlock Qwen3 coders capability. Apart from that, as a functional model, they hope it can be used anywhere across the digital world. Apart from that, it has few links in the tweet. One is about the Qwen AI. When you click on it, it will redirect you to the AI. You can chat with the AI, you can ask question. It's simple AI tool. Then there is blog post. When you click on the blog post, they will be giving information about Qwen3-Code, the model they are using, which is actually Qwen3-Coder. There's a link, you can go through the details. And there is fourth Qwen-Code GitHub repository link. When you click on it, it will redirect you to the GitHub repository of Qwen-Code. There are some key features written about Qwen3 as code understanding and editing, workflow automation, enhanced parser. We are obviously not going to talk about all these things in detail because we first going to talk about how can we install Qwen3 code in our system so that we can use AI through our terminal. So the installation steps right below this, and it starts with the prerequisites. It says you should have Node.js installed in your system. I had already been installed it when I was creating the Gemini CLI video. But if you have not installed, you can use the curl command, and if somehow the command is not working for you, you can click on the link here. It will redirect you to the Node.js page from where you can download the specific version, recommending you to download the latest version for the better results. And after that, there are the steps written over here. We will use the first command written here. We'll copy this and paste it in our terminal. In Mac and Linux there might be the permission denied issues, so to do that we will start the command with sudo and paste the command so that we can get the temporary access. So right, it will ask for the system password. Let me write mine. I guess the password is, and the Qwen3 has been installed. To check it, we will write for the version command. If the version is there, I guess there's some issue. The spelling of version is wrong. So Qwen -- version. Yeah, the version is there. It means the Qwen has been installed. So we'll go in the project. So we'll go in the project folder. I have already created the project Qwen project on the desktop. So we'll go to desktop -Qwen project. Yeah, we are here. So first clear all the things. Yeah, after that we will be running the Qwen. To run it, it will be asking for the AI API key, base URL and model. So for that we'll coming back to the repository, and this is the structure. It is asking for API key, base URL and open mode. For that we'll be going to open router .ai. Coming to here, click on models. We will need to search for Qwen3-Coder era. Here it is. And after that we'll be clicking on API. At this section we'll be able to find the base URL and model name. We'll be creating the API keys. I have already been created when I was testing, but I'll let you know how can you create in your system. So copying the base URL, coming to the terminal, writing Qwen in set authorization, asking for the API key. Right now we don't have about base URL, it is here. For the model name, we'll copy the model name from here, Qwen3 coder. We'll paste it here. Go for the, it will ask for the API key. For that we'll need to come here, create API key. When we create, clicking on it, it will ask you to create API key here also. You can click on it, give the name of the key and generate it. If you have, you must have some credits to create it, right? So I've already been created with the same process. I'll copy this and paste it here. I guess it should work now. Yeah, it is asked now. The Qwen is working. All right. After providing API key, base URL, and model name, we are able to see this screen where it says the Qwen is working fine in the folder. This is the screen where you can write the prompt to get any result. Like if you want to create an app, just give the prompt that you want the application. It will give you the application. If you want to create a XOS game, just write create a simple XOS game. It will create the game and add that file in your folder. You can take it to the Chrome to check it. After that, if you want anything else, anything complex, it will use this thinking model to do all that complex thing for a code, for bug fixing, for debugging, for anything to create in codes. So from Claude to Gemini to Qwen3-Code CLI, companies are bringing the future of AI right into the hands of developers. Like you can use it locally, smart and easy to use. So in this video, I have told you how can you install the Qwen3-Code CLI into your system, which is taking no cloud platform to use it, right? So what are the use cases you are thinking to use using Qwen3-Code CLI? Let me know in the comment section, and just we'll see in the next video. Bye bye.